Hello guys, this is Nishta Sharaf. I'm a fashion and lifestyle blogger. Today I am at MyGlamm studio and I'm going to show you my first impression on MyGlamm's new lit range of products. So the first product that I'm using is Eye and Lip Sparkle in the shade Regina from the new lit collection. As you can see, I'm applying it on my eyelids and I love how soft the texture is. It makes my eyes look so glittery. Product that I've chosen from the Lit collection is a matte eyeliner pencil in the shade Girl Crush. The shade complements my skin really well. So the next product that I have with me is an amazing lip balm in the shade Orange Crush. I love how well it's hydrating my lips and it works best for the dry and chapped lips. It's the best product for prepping and priming your lips before the application of the lipstick. The best part about this lip balm is its pH factor. It adapts to everyone individually, which is why it is the perfect product to have. Lastly, to finish my look, I'm using this lipstick. I love how well pigmented this is and the texture is so soft and smooth. The color suits my skin tone so well and I'm all ready for the party. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to MyGlamm's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos.